is this visual design approach like? Let's take a sample from a text-based lecture slide that might be used in a classroom. This is how a lecture presentation might look like for an economics concept of perfect competition. Now, let's look at the same concept of peer competition in a visually designed flipped mode. Let's learn about peer competition. Imagine you're in a vegetable market, where the corn sellers are selling at €3 per kilo. The market is full of buyers and sellers. One can buy corn from any seller as the quality is the same and there is no form of differentiation. Now imagine one of the sellers starts selling at €5 per kilo. Can you guess what would happen then? That's right. No one will buy from this seller. This is called peer or perfect competition. With this background, let's attempt to highlight the characteristics of the perfect competition. There are many sellers. All products are identical. No seller can charge premium as there is no differentiated offering.